How to post Instagram stories on desktop. So for that, first of all, you have to open up instagram.com and make sure to log in into account. Once you're logged in, if you navigate to your left hand side, there's an option right here. Now, if you click on create option, here you can only create post to the desktop. But in order to upload stories, here is a small trick that will help you. So once you're here, come to an empty space under this website, right click on it. Once you see this menu box, click on inspect. After that, head over to your right hand side and under this inspector menu box, navigate to this section right here and you have to click on this mobile phone or the laptop icon and click on it. Once you click on it, navigate to the top section right here. Now come towards dimensions and click on this drop down. From here, you have to select the device through which you want to view your Instagram on. For now, I will select iPhone 12 Pro. Once you select that, now you have to refresh your page once. Once your page is refreshed, now if you navigate to this section right here, you can see the mobile view of the Instagram application. Now you can add your story. From your home page, click on add your story at the top left corner. Now you have to select the file that you want to add in your story. Here click on open. Now you can edit this image like the way you do in your mobile device. Here you can add text, you can add sticker, or you can also draw as well. Once you're done editing your image, all you have to do is click on add to your story and then this image will be added as your story on your account. Once you're done adding your stories, now you can close this inspect menu and now you can head back to your Instagram homepage. Refresh your page once and in this way you can upload stories on Instagram in desktop. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.